Hello everyone, this is Roshna Deepak from Loops and Hooks. In this video I'm going to show you how to make spike stitches. Spike stitches are nothing but you have to do single crochet stitches in the different levels of the stitches. Firstly, you have to make some few rows of single crochet stitches. Normal single crochet stitches. Then you can start up doing spike stitches to modify your edges. So let's start. I've already made a few rows of single crochet stitches. You can see I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rows of single crochet stitches. You can do 6, 7, 8, that's your wish. I did only 6 rows of single crochet stitches. So let's start. Here I need to do one more single crochet stitch in the last stitch. You can see. So insert the hook into the loop and insert the hook into the last stitch. Okay, now what you have to do is I'm going to show you how to do spike stitch, right? So I need to show you the difference between a single crochet stitch and spike stitch. So I'm going to change the color. So I'm taking blue color yarn and yarn over, pull through the last stitch. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to do single crochet stitch. So you have 2 loops in your hook, so yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So here I made 6 rows of single crochet stitches to start up doing spike stitches. So put one chain and you have to turn your work. And what you have to do is you have to insert the hook into the very next stitch and you have to do a single crochet stitch. Okay, so insert the hook into the very next stitch, take yarn, pull out the hook and yarn together. You have 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you made we did a single crochet stitch. And next one, you should not insert the hook into the very next stitch here. So usually when you do single crochet stitches you will insert the hook into the very next stitch, right? So here there is a small difference. You have to insert the hook into the underneath stitch. This is the top stitch. So usually after doing a single crochet stitch you will be inserting the hook into the very next stitch. Here you have to insert the hook into the underneath stitch of the stitch. So insert the hook into the underneath stitch of the stitch. Okay, take yarn, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you can see the difference. We did only normal single crochet stitch, but we did single crochet stitch in the underneath stitch. We'll make another one. So should not insert the hook into the very next stitch. You have to go underneath stitch, not this level, but you have to go here. So 1, 2, 3. The last one we did 1, 2, right? Second level, and now we are going to do into the third level. So 1, 2, 3. So insert the hook into this underneath stitch. Take yarn, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you can see the difference between these 3 single crochet stitches. The next one we are going to do into the 4th level. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the 4th level. So insert the hook into this stitch. Okay, loops, pull out the hook and yarn together. Now we have 2 loops in a hook, make it 1. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we'll make another one. Insert the hook into the 5th level. So this one we did in the first level, as we do normal single crochet stitch. This level is 2nd level, this one 3rd level, this one 4th, and now we are going to do 5th. So here, so you have to count from the next stitch. Okay, this is our next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so insert the hook into this stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, do a single crochet stitch. Next level, 6th one, 6th level. So next we are going to do the single crochet stitch in the 6th level. We should count from the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so insert the hook into this stitch. Okay, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, do a single crochet stitch. I'll show you one more time. We'll make another one. So we did into the 6th level. We are not doing exactly into the single crochet stitches. We do in the top, then underneath, then 2nd row of single crochet stitch, then underneath of that stitch, like that. Next, this level. Okay, so insert the hook into this stitch and yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together and do a single crochet stitch. You can use this stitch to modify the edges of your project. It will look really beautiful. We did the previous single crochet stitch into the last level. So now I'm going to do normal single crochet stitch into the very next stitch. So insert the hook into the very next stitch and do a single crochet stitch. Okay. Now we can continue the same way as we did just back. I'll show you one more time. Look closer. So here I finish this row with spike stitches. You can see it's really pretty. Please do try after watching this video. You can make all your projects pretty with this spike stitches. So after doing a row of spike stitches, what you have to do is you can continue doing your normal single crochet stitches like this. So you can put one chain and you can start up a new row of single crochet stitch. The normal single crochet stitch. You can do 6 or 7 rows of single crochet stitches, and then you can change your yarn and you can do spike stitches again. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.